Okay, so now I've calculated the square feet. 108 divided by 144 is 0.75 square feet or board feet. 66 divided by 144 is 0.458. 78 divided by 144 is 0.542. 72 divided by 144 is 0.5. Now the cost per square foot of 1 inch solid oak is $3.65. Now, you'll have to get the numbers for the materials that you are going to be using from me. So once you know what materials you're going to use, email me a list of the types of materials and I can send you the prices. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate how much each one of these pieces cost. So the sides are going to cost this, the number of square feet, times the cost per square foot. So 0.75 times 3.65 is 2.74. 0.458 times 3.65 is 1.67. 0.54 times 3.65 is 1.97. And we only need 2 decimal places because we're talking money here, all right? $1.97. And then 0.5 times 3.65 is $1.83. Now you're going to add these up down at the bottom here at the subtotal. You're also going to add up how many square feet of material we have here. And we're going to need this number later to figure out how much it costs for a finishing material. Okay? So if we go up here, we have 0.75, 0.458, 0.542, 0.5. We're going to have 9. We're going to have 1, 1.75, 2.25. So that goes in here, 2.25. Then we have to add these ones up. And then we got 17, 24, 30, 32, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 821, 821 in material. So now you're going to take this number, you're going to transfer it over here to our subtotal, 821. You're going to multiply 821, which is our material subtotal, times 20%. Because as we cut these big boards down into smaller pieces, we lose pieces because of the cuts, or there's knots and things like that. So we have 20% waste. In a factory, this number would be 40%. That's how much waste they have from each piece. So 20% of $8.21 is $1.64. The finishing cost is calculated over here. You're going to take this number here and you're going to multiply it by 0.9. So 2.25 times 0.9 is 1.90. So that's what that would be. So now we're going to take that number and we're going to move it over to the finishing costs up here. So that's going to be 1.90. All right. Hardware. Hardware includes items like screws and nuts and doorknobs, openers, closers, things like that. So you'll have to try to figure out how much that is. You can go online and look at the parts on Home Depot or Lowe's, or you can make a list of the parts for me and I can see if we can get them at a cheaper price from my wholesaler. Okay? Then you're going to add these numbers together. That goes in here. Construction fee paid, don't worry about, that's a admin thing. And then what you owe for the project. And then we just keep a note down here. And then have your parents sign it so that they know that this is what your project is going to cost you for the year. All right, if you have any questions, email me. Otherwise, that should get you through your first assignment.